Remember one thing in whatever you do, just remember this one thing. It's the most important thing you can ever remember. Your whole future will be based on this. I forgot. No. Every single person wants what you have. So your goal is simply to make the best of it and get it out there. Two very simple things. And remember that every customer that walks in your door, from the very first person to the 100th to the 1,000th, every customer that walks in that door is going to become your salesman. And he'll do that because you make the absolute best ice cream in the world, and you're nice people. Most of you. You're nice people. So that's really all you have to, you don't have to do anything else. That's why location doesn't matter. Keep your cost. Remember, the price you charge is a two-way street.